This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Numerous systems fitted to the vehicle require battery power to be available at all times, either to ensure their continued operation, such as the clock, or to maintain control unit memories which would be erased when the battery is disconnected. Although not essential, it is possible to preserve these settings by connecting an external power source known as a memory saver to the vehicle's diagnostic socket. Unclip the vacuum hose and move it to one side. Depress the clip and remove the cover. Pull the plastic cover from the negative terminal. Slacken the nut. Then, using a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Slide up and remove the front section of the battery box. Slacken the nut and again with a twisting motion, pull the positive lead clamp from the battery terminal. Undo the bolt and remove the battery hold-down clamp. Lift the battery from place. Take care as it's very heavy. If required, slide the insulator up from the battery. Slide the insulator down over the battery. Lift the battery and insulator into place with the positive terminal at the front. Refit the hold-down clamp and tighten the retaining bolt securely. Locate the positive lead clamp over the battery positive terminal, then press it down firmly and tighten the clamp nut. Slide the front section of the battery box down into place. Press the negative lead clamp firmly down onto the battery terminal. Tighten the clamp nut securely. Press the terminal cover into place. Engage the lugs at the rear of the battery cover with the hinges at the rear of the box. Then lower the cover until the clip engages. Clip the vacuum hose back into place. Where applicable, disconnect the memory saver from the diagnostic plug. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.